Welcome to Educational News. Today is 16th of June 2021. The first news from national level. Over 1800 students sign online petition say no to blended mode of education. Over 1800 students from different educational institutes across the country have signed a petition to against the blended mode of education, which is proposed by the University Grant Commission amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Through the signature campaign, students have made 6 demands: making higher education inclusive, not by adopting a blended mode of education, universal vaccination for all stakeholders, including students, teachers, and staff in academia, etc. Next news is higher education faces a structural inequality across gender, caste, region. The Ministry of Education has released the findings of the All India Survey of Higher Education for 2019-20 on June 10. The good news is that women have surpassed men in enrolling in higher education for the second consecutive year. The report also contains enough evidence to suggest that India's higher education sector confronts serious issues of inequality across the gender, caste, and regional axis. Next news from a state level. Himachal Education Department may give smartphones to needy students under a special drive. The Education Department of Himachal Pradesh is contemplating providing cell phones to poor students who cannot afford smartphones. It plans to launch Donate a Mobile campaign under which NGOs and individuals would be roped in under the CSR program. There are about 14,000 to 15,000 below poverty line students presently studying in classes 10 and 12 who will be provided smartphones on priority in the first phase. Next news is Rajasthan to set up Vedic Education Board soon. The Rajasthan government will soon set up a Vedic Education and Sanskar Board to revive the knowledge of Sanskrit scriptures and Vedas. The board is likely to be formed in the next 4 to 5 months. A committee formed to define aims, objectives, and functioning of the board has submitted its report to the state government, Minister of State for Sanskrit Education. Thanks for watching.